Hello everybody, it's me Robin from Urban Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a multilingual WordPress website very easily in short time. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster. It will be very helpful for us. Hope you will subscribe our channel. To make the site multilingual, you have to use a plugin. That's why you have to go on WordPress dashboard, then hover on plugins, then click on add new. In the search bar, you have to search for ZTranslate plugin. You can see other translation plugins, but don't use any of them. Must use Translate WordPress with ZTranslate. Because this is a super easy plugin, you can configure this plugin very easily with great options. This plugin you have to install, so click on install now. After installing, as we know, we have to activate, so click on activate. Yeah, our plugin has been successfully activated. Now if you hover on settings, you will get a options ZTranslate, or if you go to plugins, then you will see new plugin name and then click on settings. After that, you will get all options in this page, and now you can select your languages, which one you want to display on your site front end. Suppose we want Bengali, Arabic is fine, then Danish, French, we don't want German, Italian, Russian, Portuguese, we don't want. Suppose we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 languages in our site front end. Then select, and now where you want to display your language switcher, you have to select show in menu. You have to select the menu, so primary menu, this is our primary menu, so we want here, and then simply save changes. You can see we are getting error. If you get any error while you are trying to save, then you have to check this I have issues saving, then save changes. And now if you reload your website, you will see language switcher is showing here, because I have done some custom work in the menu before, that's why it's showing here. But with your theme, it will show in a same line and perfectly. And now you can see here the languages. Suppose we want to change Bengali, these languages are Bengali. If you want to change to French, then those are French language. And if you change to Spanish, then this is Spanish language. And now we want to see if we want to display the language switcher in the footer, how we can do that. For this, you have to simply hover on appearance and click on widgets, and now add the ZTranslate in the widgets. Suppose we want the language switcher under meta. This is meta, so under it I want to display the language switcher. Then click on plus icon and then search for ZTranslate, then select it, and now update, reload the website. It's showing here because in the footer section selected 3 columns, that's why 3 columns are done, and now it's a new column. So here the language switcher is showing. You can add this language switcher in the footer by this system, and then go back to settings to ZTranslate again. After that, you will see widgets look. We can see currently a flag name with drop down. This is great actually, but you will get another option. Suppose we want just flex, then select on flex and then save changes. Then in the widgets will be like this, will show just the flex, but nice drop down with flex, this is okay. And then if you want to show with the native names, then you have to check this. So you will see a look here, it the language switcher, then it's showing with their native names. So this is a great option because native language names is very important for translating a website or for understanding visitors easily. And you will see this type of look. And then if you want to make the system, suppose from here you can see we have to select the language by default, but how it will be, suppose I am from Bangladesh, then automatically the language will be Bangla, or if I am from France, then the language will automatically French. If I am from Hispanic language, when I will browse the website, it will automatically selected Spanish language. This is the super options for this plugin. For this you have to click on auto switch to browser language, then select and make save changes. And now if you want to customize colors, then you can easily customize this look. Suppose the English text is currently black, you can change it to red, any color you want. And switcher background color currently white, you can change to any color. So this is really great options. I hope you will understand how to do those. Those are really very simple options. You can configure following your expectation. So in this way you can make your WordPress website multilingual very easily. Hope this tutorial helps you, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel, because your subscription is very support for us. If we get more support, we will get more inspiration to make more useful tutorials in future. So thank you. Stay with RBNF Solutions.